Yeah, well, my name is Anderson Lizarazo. I'm from Washington State in the US. I am the owner and founder of RideApp, and we developed this idea to connect long distance carpooling, and connect people that are going on long distance trips. I did a deep search into internet. I was searching for developers. I was searching for you know um, companies, and then I found different ones. One of them, it was in a website. Was one of the best apps developers, and it was Algoworks. So that's how I found you guys. It was great. It was great. Everything was good. I mean, all the people involved, the guys that were, calling me, and we were doing, Zoom meetings, and everything was a good experience. Everything was a good experience. Yeah, everyone was great. They were all very motivated, very interested on the app. Since day one, I noticed that they knew RideUp was going to be a successful mobile app, and they saw the potential just as much as I did. I was interested because I was wanting to bring this to the community here in the US, and they were all, I mean, you guys were all very motivated and interested on the app as much as I was. So it was a good experience with them and with the service overall. The only thing I remember is there were times where I structured the business, the idea from A to Z. So like A takes to B, B to C, and that was kind of like that was my path for like how users were gonna post a trip and then go to find the user that was gonna carpool with them, and then from there it was gonna take them to see the trip details and stuff. And a lot of times I had that idea because I was thinking I was the best idea. And I remember maybe, and I'm a person that likes to listen to other ideas, to other people, and maybe it was Abe or Karum or Sufal or whoever in the team that was telling me, hey, what if we do this a different way? So there were times where I was, thinking we had the idea, and then we kind of like changed some stuff, and it just made it better. So to me, that was great, because it wasn't only, yeah, I will develop what you want me to develop, I will do what you want me to do, but it was also a little bit more of a, hey, I want to do, I see your vision, what do you think about this? And it happened like in one or two or three occasions. So that was to me very impressive, because it's not just the service of developing the app, but also bringing some additional value to your customer, to me in this case. When we thought about RideUp, we were in a big city. I was in a big city with my wife, and I was telling her, we have to develop this idea. This is a great idea. We were in the need of a long distance ride, and I told her we have to develop this. We were searching for different companies. We eventually had a trip to New York, and we were finding for that right developer. So partnering with Algoworks was great, or starting to work with Algoworks was great, because we were able to bring that just a thought into reality. So that's why RideUp is now becoming a very popular long distance transportation or long distance connection service for rides. And so it was a good thing to have the idea become a reality, and that was thanks to all the efforts and people and all of the management and everyone involved in this process since day one. No, it's great. It's great. We have had a good contact. We have every now and then I just send them a text, just making sure that that everything's good, that the app is fast, that's working properly. I'm always checking on my phone, on my wife's phone, and we're always checking, like making sure that the app is running and there's no bugs, there's no issues with the app, and the communication has been great. Also, whenever we have something that we had to fix, it was a timely matter, and no, I mean, I have not have any bad experience at all after we launched the app, and even before. Yes, yeah, definitely. To anybody interested, if you want to check for what they're able to develop, you can go ahead and download RideApp. Like I said, it's a long distance mobile app, long distance carpooling connection service that will help you go from point A to point B in long distances. And this only works in the US. So if you want to go from Houston, Texas to Miami, Florida, or it can be from the interstate, so Los Angeles to San Francisco, or if you want to go across the states, from Los Angeles to New York, you can post a trip, you can book a trip in advance, and you can request a trip. So there's also the benefit for you. So if you want to check an app that they were able to develop from day one, it's RideApp, and you can download it on the iOS and also on Android on the App Store and Google Play.